G'day, it's Matt here. I am going to quickly walk you through how to sharpen your images a little bit in DaVinci Resolve with a technique where we're going to use the blur tool. We're going to take it from this to around about this. Let's get into it. So what you want to do to sharpen your images first is you want to select the track that you're after and then come down to the color tool at the bottom. In the color tool, you're going to find the blur option here. So that's the triangle and the dropper. What you want to do is come over to the radius, drag the radius down. Now be very gentle with this because too much radius change is going to really shift it. Now it's a bit hard to see with the clean feed not being on. I've found that a radius of about 42 works really well for the footage that I'm currently working on. If I pump it all the way up, you can see it gets really blurry. If I bring it all the way down, it gets a little bit too distorted with artifacts and other things being highlighted. So around about 42 is what I found works really well for this track here. So this is our 50, bring it down to 42. As you can see, if I go lower than 42, I'm starting to get some really ugly artifacts and it's starting to distort the video. If I come up past 50, it applies way too much blur to it. So 42 seems to be about right for this particular asset.